Have you ever noticed how opening an Apple product feels? Almost magical? It's not just the device, it's the packaging. Today, let's dive into what makes Apple's packaging design so unique and how your brand can apply the same strategies. First, simplicity. Apple boxes feature clean layouts, high-resolution product photos, and almost no extra text. This minimalism sends a bold message. The product speaks for itself. For your brand, this means invest in great visuals, keep the design uncluttered, and let the storytelling come from the product itself. Second, structure and efficiency. From the iPhone 13 to the iPhone 15, Apple has reduced its box size again and again. Why? To save materials, cut shipping costs, and reduce carbon emissions, while still keeping that premium feel. For your brand, compact and well-engineered packaging not only improves sustainability, but also makes unboxing feel intentional and premium. Third, the unboxing experience. The iconic white or black Apple box, the snug interior, and the magnetic closures. Every detail builds anticipation. That's why people even keep old iPhone boxes. The packaging itself feels valuable. For your brand, think about inserts, textures, and messages inside the box. Create packaging that people want to keep, not throw away. Apple also leads in sustainability. With the iPhone 16 Pro, they removed all plastics, switching to 100% fiber-based material. At Custompackaging, we applied the same approaches. FSC-certified paper, recyclable rigid boxes, soy-based inks, and eco-laminations. So, what can we learn from Apple? Packaging is not an afterthought. It's a part of the product experience, part of the brand story. And the good news? You don't need Apple's budget to achieve Apple-level impact. At Custompackaging, we help brands of all sizes design custom rigid boxes, folding cartons, and sustainable packaging that leave a lasting impression. Ready to elevate your packaging experience? Let's create something unforgettable together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, save, and subscribe for more packaging insights and brand inspiration.